Now, as classes resume, teachers are adjusting to the rollout of the DepEd's ELAW framework, with some seeking stronger training and support. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayao tells us more in this report.
As classes resume under the new three-term school calendar, teachers are also adjusting to another major change, the implementation of the ELAW framework. While the Department of Education says the new system is designed to simplify lesson planning, some educators say the transition requires a more comprehensive training.
It is difficult for us teachers na kung saan ay nag-a-adjust kami sa ELAW format, no? Batay po doon sa mga nababasa kong articles, sa mga post ng DepEd ay talagang confident po sila nagsasabi na pinalinaw itong ELAW format. But the problem is the training is not sufficient simply because yung orientation po sa amin is one day and at the same time ay virtual pa.
And while orientations were conducted, some teachers say they still need more time and a deeper understanding of the framework's implementation.
Hapyawan lang po yung ELAW framework. Hindi po talaga siya nakafocus sa ELAW framework lang. Inilatag nila lahat ng pagbabago ng yon ng isahan, pero walang pagsasanay na naganap. Kailangan talaga na bigyan ng focus yung ELAW framework. Gayong kami po kasing mga guro yung gagamit at gagawa nito.
The ELAW framework is built around 4 key components: intentions, learning experience, assessing learning, and ways forward, aiming to streamline lesson planning. However, DepEd clarifies that ELAW is not a new template, as it still allows teachers to retain their existing formats, as long as the core components are present. Yet for educators, adjusting to the new approach will take time and more.
Kailangan magbigay po sila ng sapat na training para dito, sikaping magbigay pa ng mas malinaw na guidelines at patuloy pong konsultasyon sa mga guro.
Yung mga tools gamit na pwede po namin magamit, software, digital tools na available po sa mga teachers para nang sa ganun po ay may magagamit din ng teachers at hindi po iba-iba ang interpretasyon. Kasi interpretasyon po ang number one problem eh.
In the end, DepEd acknowledges the adjustment challenges, assuring teachers that technical support will continue throughout the implementation.
I want to emphasize that we are companions. We are walking with them through the implementation of the different policies. We sincerely believe that the policies will do all of us well, that the policies will help in the attainment of learning outcomes.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.